I'm about to show you one of the simplest ways to make hundreds of dollars every day. If you're curious to learn how, keep watching. You might think this is another scam, but trust me, this method works. Just look at all the people who've made hundreds or even thousands of dollars daily by using this approach. And the best part? You can do it too. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Today, we're using a fantastic website called Unlayer, which will be our money-making tool. If you're looking to take your email marketing campaigns to the next level and save time, Unlayer is your best bet. It's a total game changer. Let me tell you why Unlayer is my go-to for email templates. They have a huge collection of HTML email templates that are incredibly easy to use. It's like having a treasure chest of professional email templates right at your fingertips. Why Unlayer? First off, they offer a ton of options, whether you're sending a promotional email, a newsletter, or even a fun birthday message to your customers. And these aren't just your typical designs. They're sleek, modern, and completely customizable, so you can tailor them to fit your brand. We all want to stand out, right? With Unlayer, you can easily add your personal touch to make your emails shine. Plus, it's super easy to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. The drag-and-drop interface is user-friendly, and within minutes, I was creating beautiful emails without any hassle. Time is money, and Unlayer helps you save both. You don't have to start from scratch with each email. Just pick a template, make a few tweaks, and hit send. Watching your open rates climb with these good-looking emails is seriously satisfying. Now that you know how great Unlayer is, let's talk about how you can start earning money with it. Step 1. Sign up for Unlayer. To kick things off, head to unlayer.com and sign up. They'll ask for basic details like your name and email, or you can opt for a quicker sign-up using Google. Once you're in, start a new project by clicking the blue New button and choosing Design Email Campaigns. Give your project a cool name and hit Create Project. Now for the fun part, choose a template, customize it, and save. Unlayer also makes it easy to export your email in different formats so you can share it with the world. Step 2. Head over to Fiverr next. Let's explore the money-making potential of email marketing by heading over to Fiverr. Fiverr is a great platform for offering services like creating HTML email templates and email marketing. When you search for these services, you'll see a range of prices, some as low as $7, while others charge $20 or even up to $200. It's a huge market. To start, find a pricing sweet spot. Maybe offer a lower rate at first to build up reviews and credibility, then gradually raise your rates. A helpful tip: check out successful sellers to see how they structure their gigs and what extras they offer. Fiverr is a treasure trove of inspiration for your own services. Step 3. Build your email marketing agency website on Wix. Now that you're ready to offer your services, you'll need a professional-looking website. Wix is my go-to for building a slick, user-friendly site. You can either start from scratch or choose from one of Wix's stylish, customizable templates. Make sure to write engaging content that showcases your email marketing skills and include a contact page for potential clients. Once you're satisfied, hit publish, and you're ready to launch your email marketing agency website. Step 4. Start a campaign on Outbrain to drive traffic to your new website. Start a campaign on Outbrain. It's a powerful tool that helps you reach new audiences by placing your website on high-traffic sites. Setting up a campaign is simple. Just create an account, set up your campaign, and watch the traffic roll in. Keep track of your campaign's performance using Outbrain's analytics to see what's working and where you can improve. You can also look into optimizing your website for SEO on platforms like Google and Bing to increase your visibility. Step 5. Fulfill orders using Unlayer. When you start getting orders, don't stress. Unlayer makes fulfilling them easy. With your knowledge of Unlayer, you'll be able to craft beautiful emails for clients in no time. Once you've perfected the email, hit send, and watch your clients' reactions as they see the amazing work you've done. With this strategy, you can start making real money through email marketing. There are so many opportunities out there, and though it may seem overwhelming, this approach has been tested and works. Give it a try, and I'm sure you'll see results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.